This video explains how to construct a square in Geometers Sketchpad using the menu options. To start, we're going to press the fourth button down, which is the segment tool. We're going to construct a segment by pressing down on a spot to make the first point and pressing down on another spot to make our second point. With the segment highlighted, notice it is highlighted right now, we're going to go to construct midpoint. It's also Control M or Command M depending on whether you have a PC or a Mac respectively. Next, we're going to select the circle tool, which is the third button down, and we're going to start our circle at our midpoint, and we're going to extend it to one of our endpoints. You could have selected either side and you still would have gotten the same circle. Then we're going to select our original segment that we constructed and our midpoint that we found, and we're going to go to Construct Perpendicular Line. What you can see is a circle that has four intersections with segments and lines. So you have one, there's going to be another one down here, over here, and up here. Those are going to end up being the vertices of our square. And I'm going to use the straight edge tool, which is the fourth button down, to create our square. And we're going to click on one of our vertices and go to the intersection point of the circle and the line. And I'm going to keep going all the way around until I make my square. Lastly, we're going to hide all the extra segments, lines, and points. So I'm going to select the extra line there, the circle, and our midpoint, and the extra segment that went across our square. And we're going to go to Display Hide Objects, which is again Control H or Command H depending on whether you have a PC or a Mac. And we can verify that this is a square by measuring all the segment lengths and angle measures. And let's do the segments first. We can highlight all four segments. And then once we highlight them all, we can go to Measure Lengths. And it gives me all the measurements, and they are all the same amount, 6.95. And now let's do each angle individually. And in order to do so, select 3 points at a time. So I'm going to measure angle EFG first, and go to Measure Angle. And so far that's 90 degrees. Now I'm going to do FGH, measure angle, also 90. And I'm going to continue to do the last two. As you can see, all of the angles also measure 90 degrees, and again we have all of the sides that are the same measurement, so therefore we do have a square. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I hope that you have a great day.